Hey guys, we'll be back again with OSP Node.JS. In this video tutorial, simple again, I'm going to show you how to work with increment and decrement in Node.js. Let us go to our platform very fast so that we can start doing that. Now I'm going to declare my first variable, two variables, whereby x equal having 2, and then maybe I declare another one if I want. I can just declare another one for y, let us declare another one which is 5, and that's it. So we have the variable x equals 2 and y equals to 5. So in this case around, let us now see how can we use with increment. I don't know if you guys know what known as increment and decrement. Now under these two main terms, under increment we have one known as post increment and prefix increment. The same applies with decrement. We have one known as post decrement and prefix decrement, which I will just highlight you here simply. Let me start with increment in this case. What's meant by to increment something? To increment means adding what you already have. Like in this case, if you try to see, all of us know that x, if I come in and say x equal to 2, the value of x is 2. How about if I say x plus plus? When I say x plus plus, this means x is 2. Add 1 to it. Now it will give us 2 in this case because this is why we have begun calling it to be incremented. This one on us the increment in this case, where let's illustrated for you under post increment and prefix or prefix increment, and this is prefix. This is actually one known as prefix increment, whereby now if I happen again to say x actually plus plus, it has to tell me now 3. The same applies if I again give x plus plus, it will be 4, something like that. You get? Now let me show something else again. How about if I start with the plus plus sign? You get? What if I start with the plus plus sign? The other one was post increment. How about this one here? If I start with the plus plus sign, this one simply means, in simple term, that remember it just went straight to 9. Someone are about to get confused. Why is it that I skipped 10, not 8? It's because with a prefix increment means add 1, then get 1. Actually plus plus, when you see this word plus plus means 1, and this increment and decrement means 1. So simply here, what does it understand? It will say that add 1 to what's already been stored in the memory. Remember, after getting here, it was having 7. So next time, it actually in that time of storage, it will be storing 8 because it's expecting next time for it to print out as incrementing, it will be 8. So it will just add 1 to what already exists, which is 8, and definitely will get 9. The same applies if I happen to click here like this. I think you can just see it actually is giving us to a 10. Now let me show something again also. What if I'm using minus that x? Definitely this will give us 9. The same applies if I continue that case. It will give us 8, and that's 7. So I've explained to you guys what known as the prefix increment and also what known as the post increment. And in this case, what I'm showing you down here is one known as the prefix decrement, which I've also shown you, and which you can also use in this way around. You gave it like this. Now this is a post, whereby that implies store what I've given you, because there will also print for us 7. It's like first print what I've given you, then later alone post, as just dropped from that postponed. Later alone then reduce it. So that's it guys. Whenever I happen to do it, it will just be now reducing it, because definitely from here it will first give what's there, and then what we have given from here, then to store, and then later on we'll start reducing it. Guys, that's how we use what known as what known as increment and decrement. And there also I've explained the two types of increment and decrement, where I have the the prefix increment and prefix and post increment. The same applies to the decrement, prefix and post decrement. Guys, thanks for watching. Love you.